What's up, guys? Today we're filming a little YouTube video on how to install a Henko Autolabs dual caliper kit on the 350Z. So I guess we'll show you guys how to do that, and you guys can put one on your car.
Yeah. All right.
What's the first step?
So the first step would be to take your tire off, and then you end up with this. So the first thing that we'll do is take this axle nut loose, which I already got broke loose. On this one, it's a 33 millimeter. So go ahead and pick that loose. Then you'll want to get the 6 bolts loose that hold the axle to the differential. Up in there.
Axle out.
Alright, next we'll take this caliper and bracket off. It's a 19 millimeter. You want to put this somewhere so it doesn't dangle off the hose. So this is your e-brake, parking brake. There's 2 springs on it, 1 adjuster, and then these are what hold it to the backing plate. So we'll take those springs loose. Then you can just take a flat blade screwdriver and push in, turn, and that will release that.
Just explode out.
More graceful.
There you go.
Alright. Then you got this lever. Have to get it out.
That was a little pan.
Yep. So this is the bottom, and this is where your cable right here actually attaches like that. So now we'll go to the back side and we'll pull these 4 bolts out that retain the hub and wheel bearing assembly. And then there's 2 down here that hold onto the cable. And they are
17.
This is the e-brake cable right here, how it holds it to the knuckle. It's a 14 millimeter.
So you guys are gonna have to undo a little sun glare like that. There's 4 bolts there to hold the hub on. And the e-brake cable, and then these 2.
Alright, now that you got those 4 bolts out, come back over here. There's your backing plate, wheel bearing hub. Just try to clean this surface.
The dual caliper adapter.
So on these, the Henko emblem goes to the outside. They're also labeled left and right. So you're going to want to cut this right here and right here. So we'll do that. So on these, you got to be careful because you don't want to go through here, because this is where your factory parking brake, there's those pins. So
perfect. And then clean up the corners.
alright, should look like that, and we'll go make sure. Should look something like that.
Sweet.
Now we'll hit it with a little bit of paint. Just tap that on there.
They come with new hardware and everything.
So those will hold your hub on. These here will hold on your new second caliper. These will hold on to your factory with these spacers. Then your axle spacer.
Which they include the axle spacer in the kit for free. A couple different sizes.
And you don't have to put Loctite on there, but you can if you want to.
Better safe than sorry.
Just a little bit will do.
And then tighten those bad boys up.
Yep, 65 foot-pounds.
65 foot-pounds.
You'll want to torque these so one and then cross over so they come down evenly. Start with this joker. Put a little bit of grease in here. Arc sparkles. All right, should end up like that. There it is.
There's it in.
All right.
Boom. Where'd you get the new calipers at?
O'Reilly's.
O'Reilly's. Best in the business.
$17mm on this.
17. And then how's this gonna go? Is it gonna go?
So basically there's a gap between your knuckle and your caliper. So you're gonna get this in here. Like that.
Easy peasy.
17mm on these two.
off the axle spacer. Oh geez.
Try to get me.
Just like that.
I've got experience in this.
And bolt your axle back in.
Alright.
And that's how you install a dual caliper bracket for Henko Autolabs on a 350Z. All you gotta do is tighten that axle nut.
177 foot-pounds.
177 foot-pounds.
And hook up your lines and bleed the shit out of it.
Mm-hmm. We'll show you how we ran the lines in another video. But none of this works unless you have a handbrake, preferably a Henko Autolabs. Look at that thing. That thing, 1911 pistol grips. What?
Oh, it ain't that tight.
Now you gotta throw your wheel on, run your lines, bleed the brakes, and you're ready to go. Hope you enjoyed the video. See you guys on the next one. Got anything to add, Andrew? Buy Henko Autolabs?
Yeah, just go out there and get that Henko Autolabs.
Henko Autolabs.
Probably better blow those lines up.
They've just been sitting and collecting dust and dirt. They'll be alright.
Dust, dirt.
It's just your brakes. It's not like you depend on them.
Yeah.